book. It is not photographs. And as you thumb through it, it's so fun to think of it. It took me a while for my brain to be like, okay, these are illustrations, not photographs of these beautiful baked goods. And so this will be such a treat to have both of them here and talk about that process. Yes, please.
Thank you. I was actually waiting to be able to say thank you. I am so happy to be here. I'm crying very easily these days, but it's just so nice to see so many of you. I've known so many of you for so many years, but haven't had